Welcome to Jingle Garden Tunes.
March, march, here they come, stomping to the beat of the drum. It's the animal parade today. Everyone is on their way. The elephant swings his trunk. The monkey dances with a jump. The tiger roars, the penguins slide. Oh, what a wild and funny ride. Clap, clap for the dancing bear. Fluffy fur and paws in the air. Hop, hop goes the kangaroo, holding baby in her pouch too. Let's all wave and shout hooray for the animals in a grand display. See the colors, hear them sing. What a joy this parade brings.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.